I thought you said we were going to do a Playboy bunny shoot.
Yes, that is what I said.
So why the fuck am I wearing this ridiculous costume?
Trust me. I'm a professional photographer. I have a great vision for this.
I am a model, you know. I want to be able to post this on Facebook.
Yes, all you gals care about is posting narcissistic photos on Facebook. So I figured that I would put you in a bunny outfit. That way you put some artistic photos on Facebook.
But if you put me in a bunny outfit, how the hell am I supposed to make my girlfriends jealous?
Okay, I see your point. Take it all off and let's do some topless photos.
I am glad you see my point. When can I have my photos?
Maybe in a couple of days.
In a couple of days? No, why so long?
Okay, let me understand this. I'm doing this for free. I am also paying for the studio rental. You will not do my bunny photo shoot, and you have a problem with me delivering the photos in a couple of days.
So, does that mean you will have them all done tonight?